my loves, in today's reading, we will going to have love reading situation and message from your person. Okay, before tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform like IG account. And if you feel resonated with my energy, meron po tayong mga crops na available po sa ating Shopee shop. And pinaka-latest po natin dyan is yung ating Return to Sender Red Evil Eye. So, dito po makikita natin, limited lang po yung stock natin. And ito ay meron talagang Return to Sender na spells. Ngayon, let's see the energy first. Okay, I also feel most of my collectives right now are manifesting more power when it comes to their relationship, taking back your power. I heard, and I also heard new beginnings for my collectives. Ayan. So, for my specific collectives, there are offer, proposal, or commitment coming for you. Unconditional love, ayan, kung mapapansin natin. And also, ito ay mabilisan. This is mabilisan. Meron din dito, masasabi natin na napakaganda. Merong, sabi natin, short-term love. May short-term love akong nakikita dito. I see the short-term love when it comes to this. Sabihin natin, hindi siya ganun kasi short term, and masasabi natin pwedeng mag-ingat ka dito because yung genuine love na to meron ka pang hindi nakikita. Okay? Meron ka pang hindi nakikita dito sa genuine love na to. It seems genuine love, pero masasabi natin kasing alam niyo yung getting to know each other nandyan din. And also this one, yung cup of tea or coffee date. Ayan. Pero dito, I also heard na dahil meron ka pang hindi na di-discover or you are about to discover, meron ka pang hindi na di-discover. To meron ka pang hindi na di-discover dito sa person na to. And eto na nga, with this lightning, tingnan niyo mabuti yung lightning. Diba? Kumbaga dito, merong harsh or extreme, bigla na lang mawawalan ng communication or connection. Napakaganda, sobrang positive ng reading dito ng energy, and bigla na lang yung mawawala. Okay, let's see kung ano yung mga factor na pwedeng makaapekto dito, kasi nandito yung harsh, biglang nagkaroon ng drastic change, and ito is unexpected kasi nga parang ang ganda ng takbo. So, let's say na sabihin natin nagde-date kayo, compatible kayo, nandun yung sabihin natin sweetness, and nandun yung commitment, nandun yung sabihin natin consistency when it comes to communication. But some point, bigla na lang may darating na something, discovery, na magkokosto ng biglang pag-cut ng inyong communication and connection. Okay, so ayan, healing heart. Maaari nga ito ay mag-cause sa'yo ng sabihin natin heartbreak. O yun, dito masasabi natin, nandito kasi yung snake natin. Sinabi natin kanina, it looks like genuine or unconditional love. Parang kumbaga love talaga, makikita mong perfect love. Pero nandito yung snake card natin, which means an enemy. Okay? Maaari din, my loves, na sabihin natin from lover to enemy ang pwedeng maging ending nito. And other woman din ay nandito. Okay? Pwede din na dahil dito sa drastic change, biglang pagbabago, bigla na lang pagkawala, ng communication, pag-cut off ng communication, ay dahil lumitaw dito yung snake card natin. Okay? Lumitaw yung ating snake card. Look over your shoulder. An enemy. And dito nga, masasabi natin, you are, sabihin natin, advised to close this connection, this issue. Sabihin natin, itong relationship na to, I heard na parang napadaan lang. Napakaganda ng kanilang relationship. Sobrang ganda. Most of my collectives, ang ganda ng relationship nila. Pero magkokos lang sa kanila to. Ito ay magsisilbing aral because of this healing card. kung ano yung lessons na na-gain mo dito sa connection na to. So, isa na nga sa mga lesson na yon ay kilalaning mabuti kung sino yung inyong mga kausap, yung inyong pinagkakatiwalaan. Kasi, meron ka pang hindi nadidiscover doon sa taong yun. And ito nga, mabilisan kasi isa sa mga madidiscover mo doon ay snake, other woman, other third party, or competition. So, dito, sinasabi ng spirits na i-give up na to, moving on, and have closure. I-close na yung issues na to. Kung baga, kagaya ng sinabi ko nga, yung connection na to ay parang napadaan lang. So, kagaya nga dito, may third party na na-involve dito because of this snake card. Okay. So, kaya siya nagkaroon ng extreme card cut-off. And kung itatanong nyo, kung ina-advise pa ba sa'yo, hindi na, ang advice na lang dito is closure. Okay? Closure. So, kailangan ng closure dito. So, bukod dito sa healing from heartbreak na ikinos sa'yo, yes, ayan, you will going to gain more on feminine energy na kumbaga, dito, spirits wants you to nurture your feminine energy kung ano yung deserve mong love. Okay? So, kasi dito healing from heartbreak, ito ay sabihin natin, madali ang love lang, pwedeng flirt. Napaka-sweet nito eh. Sobrang sweet ng energy nito sa una pero biglang nagkaroon ng drastic change. So, meaning to say, merong naging involved because of this cut-off, harsh cut-off. And dito kailangang in-nurture mo na ang iyong sarili. Take your power back. Yan. Tingnan nyo nga. Tingnan nyo ano natin dito. The unconditional love and the snake. And the ending dito is that maaaring yes, nag-cause sa'yo din ng sadness and pain yan. Sobra, nag-cause sa'yo ng sadness and pain itong love na to. But spirits wants you to move on, to close this issue. Wala nang, kumbaga, wala nang ina-advise sa'yo si spirit na gawin pa kung hindi i-close na to. At mag-focus sa iyong growth. Ayan, ang dami nga. May conflict eh. Hindi na siya pang, sabihin natin, hindi siya pang holding on. Bukod dito sa competition na to, meron kang kaagaw dahil nga nagkaroon ng third party with the snake card. Lumitaw na rin dito, eto, the conflict and opposition. Hindi talaga kayo meant to be. Okay? Hindi kayo meant to be ng person na to. So, let's see. Message from this person. Do you even see me that way? Kumbaga, nandoon pa rin sa in denial itong person mo, hindi siya aware. May tendency din na hindi pa niya totally inaamin, ina-adapt. Gossip only di ba? Kumbaga, gossip only hurts more. Hindi pa niya ganun ina-accept yung kanyang naging kasalanan na talagang may third party, na may competition and conflict sa inyong relationship. Yes, I meant what I said. Okay, so dito sa message from your person, masasabi natin na kung ano man yung sinabi niya, kung may inamin man siya about third party, yes, and kung meron man siyang inamin na sabihin nating kakulangan mo or kung ano yung sinabi niya sa'yo na nag-cause sa inyo ng harsh cut-off or kung ano man yung naging cause nun, pwede nating sabihin na aminado siya doon. And at the same time, hindi niya accepted na ganun yung kanyang negative traits. Ang gusto niya, maniwala ka sa kanya. Parang sinasabi niya na iyon ay gossip lamang. Pero lumitaw dito kasi sa card, yung dalawang unfavorable card natin, which is the snake card and the club card. Okay? So, spirits firmly say na mag-move on ka na with this person. Okay, let's see the future about your love life naman. Future for your love life. Since na, kumbaga, pinag-move on ka na ni spirits. You are meant for something. Okay? You are meant for something. Yes. So, yan nga. Kagaya ng sinabi natin, flirt. kumbaga right now, ikaw ay pinag-move on na, and spirits wants you to, sabi natin, entertain something. And kung mag-entertain ka, make it sure na ito ay, sabihin natin, aligned sa yung mga belief system. And yan, okay. Align sa yung belief system, and iwasan yung mga taong kagaya ng person mo na meron ding addictions and kahinaan when it comes to their, sabihin natin, ano ba yung mga weakness na pwede natin i-consider sa isang partner. Yun na nga, weakness sa lust, sa addiction, sa gambling. Ano pa ba yung mga ibang weakness? So, yung pagiging codependency, pakiiwasan yung mga taong gano'n. May tende kasi ma-involve ka din eh. Alright, now I also heard na mag-entertain ka ng bago, extend your light-hearted energy to others, and also yung dapat aligned sa mga prinsipyo nyo or yung pinaniniwalaan mo. Kung ano yung demand mo sa love connection ay kailangan maibibigay ng mga i-entertain mo. Okay? And for love, you are destined for something. So, isa na nga dito is yung yes. You have to honor your love. And sabihin natin dito kanina, align dapat sa prinsipyo ninyo and belief system. Also, kung meron ka man, dapat willing ka din na i-accept yung mga prinsipyo na meron ng iyong love connection. Yes, you have to cherish the relationship na ibibigay sa'yo and also the respect. Pwede din ilan yan sa mga factor na naka-apekto dito sa inyong current love situation na ina-advise sa'yo ni spirits na i-apply mo sa mga susunod pa. Okay? You have to cherish your relationship and also give respect. Pero one thing is for sure, you have to move forward. You have to earn more progression when it comes to your love, when it comes to your life. And also, spirits wants you to close this issue. I also heard na meron talaga, may opposition and conflict dito eh. Marami, may mga religious factor, I also hear that. Pero sabihin natin na, tingnan nga natin, let's see. Kasi spirits wants you to extend your heart to others. Or pwede din na itong let go na nga. Let go of the need to control. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. And also express your love. To let people know that you love them. Okay, boundaries. Parang nagkaroon dito ng conflict sa boundaries and sa express your love. Okay, so spirits wants you to do, kasi dito nga masyado kayong naging sabi natin yung love nyo is para talagang hindi na kayo mapaghihiwalay. So spirits wants you to express your love with healthy boundaries. Okay? Hindi kagaya ng naging ng current relationship na to na parang all out ka sa love. Spirits wants you to let go of the need of control. Hindi mo kailangan i-all out lahat ng love kasi kumbaga hindi lang love ang pwedeng sabi nating ma-contribute sa healthy relationship. Nandyan din ang respect. Okay? So, move on my loves, close these issues, and if this person, pero dito medyo mataas kasi yung ego ng person mo eh. Kung hindi nakikipag-ayos yung person mo, and hindi mo nakikita yung changes, ayan, let go na. Close this issue and move on. Pero, you know, my loves, mahirap pag meron kang ka-competition, mahirap pag meron kang kaagaw, mahirap sa love pag meron kang ka-conflict. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.